Good afternoon, YouTube. Got a little bit of a treat for you today. Today we're going to be cutting up some firewood again. We had a big cherry tree fall out into the fence row over here. So today we'll be cutting up this cherry tree and getting that all buzzed up. And I brought a friend of mine, used to build race saws for Timber Sports series, still Timber Sports series. And so a number of years ago, probably 10 years ago, he built me a Jonsered 2156 with a woods port. So it's a very strong running saw. It's lightweight, cuts a couple classes above its CC weight, being that it's ported. So I haven't had it out in a couple of years. I'm looking forward to running that. I brought that out with me. It's in the back of the Ranger. And you know, brought the tools, the gas can. I brought the pole saw, which I see I got muddy. We had about 2 inches of rain here a couple of days ago, and still a little frost in the ground. Things are very wet in spots, but yeah, we'll set it up, and then we'll get some footage of buzzing up this tree with 2156. Yeah, it's quite an impressive little saw, at least I think it is. And then it was done by EHP Performance, so a friend of mine had heard. And then we'll get the trailer loaded up. We'll see if we can make it back. I guess I'll show you my basic firewood setup here. Basically, this is stuff that I always bring with me when I'm cutting firewood. I've got an old ammo crate here. And inside the ammo crate, you'll see basic first aid. I've got a file. I've got my multi-purpose tool here for tightening the chain, taking things apart. I've also got a flat file here if I need to take down the rakers at all, and my little bar cleaning tool, and a whole bunch of wedges. And that's my basic kit I always bring with me. Bar oil, fuel can, chainsaw. I always like to bring 2 chainsaws just in case if one gets stuck in a tree. It kind of sucks if you get it pinched in and you got to take your bar off, put another bar on or something dumb. So yeah, it works a lot better just to bring 2 chainsaws. And then usually I bring a splitting axe too, just in case. And yeah, that's my basic setup. And here we have our 346 XP, which is seems to be my go-to saw now. Nice and light. It's powerful enough, running 3/8 chain, super light, which is good. And then this is the Jonsered 2156. That is woods ported. And like I said, this saw works very, very well. And you'll get to see it buzzing up that tree. So we'll see if it'll start. Hasn't been ran in a couple years, but we'll give her a whirl. Put some fresh gas in it. It didn't have very much old gas, and I always run high test premium, so no ethanol. So it should start. We'll see what happens. got our trailer loaded up here. This should be a good enough little jag to last me a week or so at home in the wood furnace, and have most of that tree cleared up. There's a little bit still left split, but I'll probably get that another day. I'm just getting over the flu, so I don't want to overdo it. This is kind of the first full day that I felt good, and I'm out here killing it at cutting firewood, which is good. A little exercise is always great to get over a flu. Alrighty, so hopefully we make it up through that mud hole. We'll get some footage.